To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Disengage the fasteners. Before you can remove the filter, unclip the sensor. Pop off the wire clip. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Match the shape of the filter to the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Reinstall the hose. Reinstall the wire clip. Reinstall the sensor. Re-engage the fasteners. Retighten the hose clamp. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.